What's good, my treaty gang? It's me, Cubsy Capri, and welcome to the RM82 Treats. If you're new to the treaty gang, hello and welcome. I'm glad you decided to stop by, and I promise you won't be disappointed. Oh, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and please hit the notification bell button so you'll be notified when I bring more creative ideas to the table. So today I'm going to show you how I made my Child's Play inspired two-toned buttercream piping. So I hope you guys enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe because it's going to be a lit season, y'all. I have so much good stuff coming up. It's about to be lit, lit, lit. But yes, so I hope y'all enjoy. And like I said, I'm learning and we can learn together. So I'll catch you on the next round, y'all. So enjoy this video. Peace. All right, now let's put bag. Okay, y'all. Let's start with blue. We're gonna put half of the blue. Man, I'll be right back. All right, y'all. I done made such a big mess, but I get it shortly. Dang. All right, give me 1 second. All right, sorry about the hold up. Let's get this white piped. All right, let's see what we got. We'll do some swirl with that. Then we'll do white at the bottom. White right there. Oh, it's cute, y'all. Yeah. It wouldn't be no cupcake, y'all, without There we go. And we'll do the edge. Of this one, since just put some sprinkles right around it. Who doesn't like a little sprinkle? Child's play. And there we have it. Look at that. And they taste delicious. All right. Now, next up, we're going to go for photos. So, we'll be right back. What's good, my treaty gang? I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I had such a great time recording this and just testing myself and just getting out the box, just trying new things. And I'm new to the baking stuff. I'm new to buttercreams. I'm new to everything that you've seen. I also got to see where I messed up a lot at, and I will be changing those things. But it was great. Thank y'all for tuning in to my Chucky inspired cupcakes, my Chucky inspired buttercream, and my Chucky inspired piping. Next up is going to be heat transfer towels. So there will be a part 4, and that will be me showing you how to heat press on some microfiber towels. So stay tuned for part 4 and have a good night, everybody.